Meghalaya BJP Vice President Bernard Marak, who has been on the run since the police raid at his Tura farmhouse, is in New Delhi. This was confirmed by SP of West Garo Hills district in Meghalaya, VS Rathod. We were tracking his whereabouts and knew he was hiding in Guwahati, but before our teams could reach him, he had managed to board a 5 p.m. New Delhi flight on Saturday, the West Garo Hills SP told the Meghalayan newspaper. Bernard Marak has rubbished the allegations leveled by the Meghalaya police against him, claiming that he was running a prostitution racket at his farmhouse near Tura. However, the Meghalaya BJP vice president said that he is not absconding and not trying to evade arrest. Meghalaya BJP President Ernest Mori has backed his party colleague Bernard Marak, saying that the police raid at his farmhouse was a political vendetta. I have personally spoken to respected persons in Tura and surrounding areas, and I have come to the conclusion that Marak has been unjustly framed and maligned, Meghalaya BJP chief Ernest Mori said. He added that it appears that he is a victim of a political vendetta. Meghalaya BJP chief Ernest Mori also urged the Meghalaya government to withdraw all charges against Marak which are politically motivated and with the intention of maligning the party's image. Deputy Commissioner of Siang District in Arunachal Pradesh, Tai Taggu, has termed environmental destruction as the biggest challenge faced by mankind today. He said that nature destroys those who destroy nature. Addressing a day-long orientation for deterring wildlife crime and reducing wildlife trade vis-a-vis Daring Memorial Wildlife Sanctuary near Pasighat, the Deputy Commissioner said that it was essential to strike a balance between the human population and the forest areas for survival of the human race. Addressing the gathering, Deputy Commissioner of Roing District of Arunachal Pradesh, Soumya Saurabh, highlighted how the frontier state of Arunachal Pradesh serves as the lungs for the entire country. Sikkim Chief Minister P.S. Tamang informed on Sunday that Sikkim would set up a police reform and disciplinary committee to develop a strategy for carrying out reforms in the police force. Sikkim CM P.S. Tamang held a meeting with senior officials of the police department of the state at his official residence on Sunday, and addressing them said that there is a need to develop a strategy for the well-being of the police personnel and also to reform the police force. The meeting also reviewed the condition of the police force and decided to form the committee, which will be headed by the Additional Director General of Police Akshay Sachdev.